Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use your own voice in Sonauto AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sonauto.ai, and you can see here we've got the big create button, which we've clicked. It's going to bring us to this page here where you can find the advanced tab. Click on that. Then over on the right hand side, you're going to see this button that says upload. Here you can upload a song, so you can click here where it says upload song, and then you could search through your device, find the song that you're looking for with your voice, and then upload it from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.